Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the jelly bean sprout seed in Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is the last part of the Easter event in Garden, and there is a new event guys called the Easter training event. And in this event, you will be able to create a team just like the previous update, and these are the team rewards that you can get. So if you want to get the jelly bean sprout, you need to have a team and you need to have 84 score to claim this jelly bean sprout. So now go make your team and complete the quest right here. Complete your individual quest. Okay, you will have 3 quests that you need to complete, and after completing the quest, you will get 1 team score. Okay, and the team score will be added here. And for now, my total team score is 21. So if I want to get the jelly bean sprout, I still need a lot of scores, guys. Okay, I will work for it. Actually, that's not that hard because we just need to complete the quest. And for the quest, I need to open 3 Easter seed pack and then harvest Easter chocolate berries and also harvest the Easter licorice. It's not impossible to do. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the jelly bean sprout seed in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.